Okay, so this particular lesson is Google Sheets, and again, an advanced kind of lesson on dynamic charts and sheets. And we're going to kind of play with an attendance record, if you will. As you can see on the left, I have my students, and Monday through Friday, whether they're present or absent, noted by a P or an A. And to the right, I'm going to make some dynamic piece using data validation. And it's real simple to do that so that we can get our analytics and do a quick drop down of, say, Christian, was he here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth real quickly. So how do we do that? So first thing I did was on a blank cell over here. And as you can see, I've kind of emulated the Monday through Friday piece over here onto the right-hand side. Now you can do this into a new sheet if you wanted to, or you can keep it on the same sheet if you want. So let's start here. We have our column set up. I'm going to click in a blank cell, and I'm going to go to data validation, and it's asking me what is their range. So right now I just want to pick the name of the student. So I'm going to click that range, and it's going to ask me what's my range. I'm just going to highlight my students, just like that, B7 through B13. Say OK, and save. As you can see, it's blank, so if we click the drop down, sure enough, has all our students right there. So we're going to click it to the right under the Monday column here, and this is where we're going to start to pull our data. We're going to use a formula called VLOOKUP. So we're going to look up stuff here, and you can click that drop down, and I'll start the parentheses here. And the very first thing we want to do is select lookup from the students. So that's that J. Looks like 11 column, and then we want to hit comma, and now what we want to do is pull the student data. So we're going to just highlight the student's name and the data, and the next thing we're going to do is hit comma. And what column does Monday fall under? Well, if you count from students over, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, Monday is 2. So we're going to say 2, comma, and false. And then hit return. It's going to say NA, but if we drop down and pick, let's pick Ezekiel here at the bottom. And on Monday we know he was present, and sure enough, there are the results. So here's a real quick way and very powerful tool to analyze the data and pick up a student real quick. If you want to do a Monday of the, I don't know, what was it, the 28th of June, we could pull up Ezekiel, was he present or not, very quickly by just using these drop downs and doing data validation. So that's a great way to apply kind of the skill sets that we've learned in Google Sheets and take it to the next level of dynamic charts and sheets.